Here are the internet diva, Alisa Alano, and the cutest star, Mahal.
Ang bigat mo pala, Mahal. Ayan. Alright po. If there's no snow video, I won't be the internet diva. So, I love video. Ano ba masabi mo, Mahal?
Basta ayoko ng video-video pag naliligo ko.
Okay, sige. Basta make sure next time, if you take the video, only these people will take your video, okay? Because
Yes.
they're so galing.
Yes.
So,
And the nominees for the SOP Music Video Awards for Best Videography are Richard Librada of Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Roman Perez of University of the Philippines, Diliman, Darlene Abigail Quito of Polytechnic University of the Philippines.
okay. The video has circulated and the judges have decided. The Best Videography Award goes to...
All out of by Dennis Dino.